we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as more related words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In British English, this is said as equity. You do want to stress on the first syllable, equity. In British American English, this is said as equity. Equity in American English versus equity in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.